Would you like to create a QR code? Do you know how super simple it is? My name's Angie King, the Tech Angel. Well, I help heart-centered business owners remove the fear and frustration of tech and turn it into fun. And today I want to show you how to create a QR code with Canva. Let me share my screen. So you'll notice I have Canva open and I'm in the editing software. Now, if I scroll down on the sidebar, all the way down to where it says apps. So click on apps at the bottom on the left-hand side, and then scroll a bit further down until you get to, there is actually a create something new, and then you can click on QR code. From here, just pop the URL into the URL field and click on generate code. So now if I grab my mobile phone and scan the QR code and open it up, you'll see that it's opened up my website. Now that's how easy it is to do a QR code in Canva. How amazing is that? If you'd like to see more tips like this, pop over to my website, angieking.com.au, where I have a range of videos to help to make tech fun and simple. Have the most amazing and abundant day. Bye.